Okay, okay.
What are they known for?
Okay.
And we're NAB 2023, and we have a
Okay.
new product to demonstrate.
Okay, okay. Hey everyone, my name is Steven. We're at Freewell, the company that's making filters and camera accessories for over 10 years. Right here I have the K2 filter system. This is the brand new filter system that we have just released. And let me show you how it works. I'm gonna need an assistant from the hero of today's show. So, all right, so this is the case that the K2 system comes with. It has the rings for your lenses, 4 different sizes. So right here I have the 16 to 35, which has the 82 millimeter thread. So you just install the ring like so onto your lens. All right, so the ring is installed. Then you take your base filter, press these 2 buttons, and attach the filter system just like so. And that's it, it's installed in place. Now, if you have another lens, you just press these 2 buttons again and you install it to the other lenses of yours. Now, the cool part about this filter system, it's a super quick installation, and it has, first of all, magnetic VNDs, so they are easy to remove. The lens cap is also magnetic, so hold on. So this one is 1 to 5 VND. It's super quick to attach, and it's hard stop VND, so you do not get any cross polarization. This X you don't get in the frame. Yeah, this one is 1 to 5. The other side of the filter is polarizer, so you can remove the reflections, get more vibrant colors with this one. So there is on top here a slot which allows you to insert different effects filters like blue streak, gold streak, gradient filters for photography. Like this one, we have different darkness. This one is a reverse gradient filter. So you can just slide it right in the slot, or get a diffusion filter and also install it right in here, like so. So at this point, you can also rotate the whole system. So let's say if you're using gradient filter for photography and you want to adjust the horizon, you can do so by just losing these knobs here, and you can rotate the whole system 360 degrees, then lock it in spot like so with the same knobs. So it's not gonna move anywhere, it just stays here secured. And if you want to get darker exposure, then you remove the 1 to 5 filter, get from the same kit the 6 to 9 filter, and attach it just like this. All right, and then in this way you have basically you got yourself covered for any kind of shoots, photography, video, filmmaking, whatever you want to film. This filter system got it all, and you can use it on different lenses. So let's say you have, I don't know, 70 to 200 lens, which is 77 millimeter thread. You just take the 77 millimeter ring, like this one, you attach it to another lens, and all you do after that, just press these 2 buttons, remove it, install to another lens, and you're good to go. So it's like one filter system for pretty much any lens, any camera. So it's also a true color filter system. So if you want to get the best results possible with this VNDs, this is the glass you want to go for.